Hey guys, video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2009 Toyota Tundra. The vehicle's got around 83,000 miles on it. The customer was complaining about a broken leaf spring. And today, we're going to go over some other corrosion issues with being up here in the Northeast. Got the vehicle on the lift, and sure enough, there's a broken leaf spring. This vehicle is quite old. It's, 11, 12 years old. And obviously here in the Northeast, we have corrosion issues. You can see here how the corrosion set in on this leaf spring, and over time, the metal gets weak and the corrosion sets in, and then we have a broken leaf spring. Also, I have another photo of here where you can see here it's getting stressed. This leaf pack, the third leaf down, you can see the crack here. I'll blow it up. This is getting stressed. The metal's getting stressed and porous, and the corrosion sets in, and we have another crack here on this leaf spring. You guys can see that here. Corrosion, is not a fun thing. Here we battle this in the Northeast, and there's various other places here in the U.S. that battle corrosion. A lot of people use fluid film, undercoating. Yamaha makes an actual, like a wax coating. It comes in an aerosol can. Seems to work pretty good. And also Mercury Outboard Motors has a wax kind of in a can deal, in an aerosol can. When you spray it out, it comes in it's almost like a film of wax that goes over the metal. Basically, you'd almost have to get this stuff when it's newer and try to reapply it every year and try to keep the undercarriage of a vehicle clean. Can be difficult to do sometimes, especially when they're road salting the road 6 months out of the year. Another corrosion issue with this Tundra was the brake caliper we found. I'll pull that photo up here. You can see the inner pad is worn down, thinner than the outer pad. What happens, the corrosion sets in over time on the brake slide pins, and the caliper is stuck. Took a pry bar to this thing, and it is seized solid. You can see actually the surface of this caliper has a lot of corrosion on it. It's going to definitely need to recommend a caliper replacement, pads and rotor. This particular truck hasn't had a frame yet, but as you know, Toyota has a recall on frame corrosion. And this one has not had a frame yet. And another thing I'll mention too, also this vehicle with the broken leaf spring causes extra stress on the shocks. So definitely recommend replacing both shocks and 2 rear leaf springs on this vehicle. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. Have a nice day.